Before getting to know the best treatment for irritable bowel syndrome, you must first learn about the disease and its impact on human health. Irritable bowel syndrome is a digestive disorder that affects the large intestine, and is accompanied by a group of intestinal symptoms that usually occur together, and their severity and duration vary from person to person. If you experience IBS symptoms 3 times a month for 3 months, you may already have IBS. IBS can cause intestinal damage in some cases, but it is not a common condition, and IBS does not increase the risk of digestive cancer, but it affects severely on the system of life. So far, there is no exact cause of IBS, but doctors usually attribute it to the severity of the sensitivity of the colon or to the immune system. One of the best keys to controlling IBS is to avoid its irritation and activity, by avoiding foods that irritate the colon, as well as stress and anxiety, which is one of the causes of IBS symptoms for many people. Irritable bowel syndrome is one of the most common diseases in many countries of the world, which makes many sufferers seek treatment for it, whether in drugs, medicines, healthy nutrition or some natural herbs. Indeed, there are some things that reduce its symptoms, so what is it? First, mint tea. Mint is one of the most famous herbs for treating irritable bowel syndrome and its symptoms as well. One of the studies showed the role that mint plays in treating the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, as it was found that it contributes to the relaxation of the intestinal muscles and is considered a gas repellent. As for the way to use it, it is done by following the following. You can boil mint leaves and drink it directly. Soak mint leaves for a while in lukewarm water and then drink the soaked. Add peppermint oil to hot water. Second, anise tea. Anise has always been used to treat many health problems, especially digestive and stomach problems. It has soothing properties, and thus is one of the best herbs for treating irritable bowel syndrome. As for how to use it, it is done by boiling or soaking a tablespoon of anise seeds in lukewarm water, or adding its powder to 2 cups of boiled water and drink it to get the benefit. Third, chamomile is one of the herbs used in the treatment of many medical conditions. A study was conducted, the results of which showed that chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties with a strong effect, and that it contributes to the relaxation of the intestinal muscles, the treatment of intestinal disturbances, and the expulsion of gases. It is prepared through, use fresh or dried chamomile bags or leaves to make tea. 4. Turmeric. This is the all-time favorite herb for IBS sufferers. Turmeric root looks like ginger, but is light yellow on the inside. Highly anti-inflammatory, it is always recommended to put turmeric in your first aid kit if you suffer from colic. It has been shown to reduce abdominal discomfort and generally reduce IBS symptoms. It's best taken in oil for higher absorption, and liquid and capsules are often more effective than eating turmeric as a food. As always, please consult your health professional before using these herbs to make sure you use the right doses and have no contraindications with any medications you are taking.
Foods that may irritate the colon, such as caffeine, tea, coffee, and energy drinks, sugars, soft drinks, artificial sweeteners, foods high in fat, and chewing gum. Avoid some foods that contain hard-to-digest carbohydrates. Avoid foods that increase gas, broccoli, cabbage. Make sure to eat meals regularly. Caution when consuming dairy products for people with lactose intolerance. Drink a lot of fluids, especially water.
Making some changes in your lifestyle may help you reduce IBS symptoms, including, increase your physical activity. Reduce stress as much as possible. Get enough sleep. Do not forget to support the channel by liking and activating the bell, and do not forget to join us.